Hello my little stars, I am Miss Fatma. Hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. An zair e, ghan zair ghi, fe zair fi, qaf zair qi, kaf zair ki, गाफ ज़ेर गी, लाम ज़ेर ली। अब रमा पढ़ते हैं। ई, गी, फी, की, की, गी, ली. Okay stars, hope you learned very well. See you in the next class. Bye.